Okay, guys, welcome to Ecuador. Woohoo! This is room tour. Quick room tour. Extra blanket. Okay, extra blanket. Something safe. Hi. Okay, working place. 2 beds and the view. Look at this gorgeous view. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. That's so nice. This is real Ecuador, Quito. Okay, small refrigerator, something for your closet. I bought the water in the airport for $4.50, so it's not too cheap country. You see, it's look like our Советский Союз lifestyle, you know, and popcorn. Okay.
Wallpaper.
Yeah. How do you think? How many square feet here in this?
Let's say maybe.
Maybe. Do you think like?
Hard to say actually.
Yeah. Like
Because
about.
of the shape of the room, so.
Yeah, maybe.
70, 80?
80 square feet.
Yeah,
I think
I think so.
less than
Probably
80,
less.
maybe 60.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay. One sink. Such a big toilet. Oh my gosh, it's so wide. And shower. So guys, welcome to Ecuador. I hope we will have good stay here. Bye. So you can use the hotel Rio Amazonas in the evening time to get some tea bags. Sorry, it's very high in the mountain, so you can think very slowly. Okay, you can get some. Oh, it's so cute with the rooster. So you can use this hotel even on the evening time. I got some tea with chamomile. You can watch TV, use bar, some alcohol drinks for purchase. Also, it's free coffee and free aqua caliente hot water. So I'm going to make myself chamomile tea, herbal tea.